I'd like to get some guacamole and chips in that bowl, please. Yeah, can you put it in there? And no plasticware. It's everybody's responsibility to be mindful about the way we consume our food. On the road, in the office, at a food truck, personal utensils can turn an everyday routine into a sacred ritual. It's really important that you take the time to prepare your tools. It creates a space and time between you and your eating experience. And when it's time to clean and you're out in public, use lemon. Then when you get home, you can soak your utensils in warm soapy water, use a brush to clean the hardware, rinse, dry, and repack. Now is the time to shift the way we consume our food. Consider that one plastic utensil is used for 10 minutes before being thrown away, and some cultures actually carry the same pair of chopsticks for life. How are you fed?